A narrow strip of water, yet one of the world's most critical oil choke points. This is the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, often called the Gate of Tears. It connects the Red Sea to the Gulf of Aden, linking Europe, Asia, and the Middle East through the Suez Canal. Because of this position, massive volumes move daily. Around 6 to 7 million barrels of oil pass through. Nearly 10% of global seaborne oil trade depends on this single route. Over 20,000 ships cross annually, carrying close to 12% of global trade. As disruptions occur at the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, the impact would be immediate across global trade routes. Ships would likely reroute around the Cape of Good Hope, adding 10 to 15 days to transit times and slowing global delivery cycles. Longer routes would push costs higher. Freight rates could rise 30 to 40%, container prices may double or triple. And fuel consumption and insurance premiums would increase. More capital would also remain tied up in goods still in transit. Supply chains would slow, manufacturers might adjust sourcing strategies, and companies would expand inventory buffers to reduce risk. Because critical oil flows pass through this corridor, even partial disruption could trigger energy price volatility. As dependence on this route remains high, the effects would spread into logistics costs, procurement budgets, and commodity pricing, turning a regional disruption into a potential global economic shock.